What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you for stopping by the channel as always. Make sure and like and subscribe, please and thank you. Today's video is going to be a little bit different actually. As you can see, we're in my car. I just got out of work. My friend Mike has an 8th gen SI. He's been wanting to work on it, but he wants me to film working on it. I told him, why don't I just give you a camera, and while I'm at work, you can film working on it. And that's what we did. So we're gonna see how this works out today. We're actually on our way over there right now. So see you guys in a minute. So I definitely just got to my buddy's house and he's nowhere to be seen. But let's get out the car. Actually, just leave my windows cracked because it's hot. Where is he? Well, there's his 8th gen. There's my car. There's his brother's truck. Yes, the body needs some work, but it's been sitting, so let's see what he's gotten done. Oh, I see pieces everywhere. Oh my lord. So, no tranny? Okay. Subframe. Oh, there he is. This guy. This guy. Sir, what did you go there for?
Just so I can bolt that in.
Oh.
Okay. That's it. Just to bolt that in.
Nice.
Pick it down, dog. Boom, boom. I got a mess over here, bro.
I know, I saw that.
Big old mess.
Ready? Tuning in. Tuned in. I'm tuned in, and this is definitely live. Haha, yes.
Alright, cool. Because we just had a problem, but like you said, there's no problems on this channel.
Find a solution to everything.
Slip that there, sir, for me, please. Maybe.
I can hold that out of your way. You're close. Yeah, there you go. That should be right around there.
Is that one?
So, Mikey, I got a question. Did you find a solution to the problem, bro?
Yeah, look at that. I got all 3 in.
Oh.
We elongated the hole for the mount on the front side.
Yeah. Oh, is this one up here?
I just had to get a carbide bit and elongate it a little bit, so I can slide the mount a little bit further back, just so I can line the bolt up properly.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll see. Like I said, there's no problems on this channel. We find a solution to everything. It's a temporary problem. Even when we break things, it's still a temporary problem. We'll find a way to fix it or replace it.
Yeah, like my tranny.
Either way.
It's broken. The car was broken.
Well, listen,
I didn't throw it away.
listen. Let's hope that this is the only tranny that you have to put in those cars. Please.
Why?
Please. And thank you.
Well, if I'm going to go big turbo, the train's going to come back out.
Yeah, but then that train's coming back out to build it. Train's not coming back out because it's broken. That's what I'm trying to avoid.
Well, I got this car.
Now he brings out the electric wrench. Bro, are you serious? Are you serious right now?
Save the best for last.
This guy.
Save the best for last.
This guy.
What? You got a problem?
Oh, man. So, it slides on there like it would be a case swap car. That's pretty cool.
It's
probably a lot more solid, too.
Probably a lot easier to take the tranny in and out, also.
And it's probably a lot more solid, too.
It deletes all this nonsense.
As long as the welds on that bracket are strong, I guess we'll find out.
We're going to find out after a couple burnouts. A couple digs.
So those of you that don't know, when I say K-swap, meaning this motor into an older style Honda, like
EG,
95,
DK,
95
EF,
or 2000 or something like that.
EJ1.
There you go. That's what I mean by having putting it in like a swapped car.
DC2.
So this is basically what you would be doing. I guess this way seems maybe they're stronger. I don't know.
Find out. Yeah.
But we'll find out.
What are these for?
This dude literally bench pressed it and slid it in first try. Like, no bolts in.
Up, bro.
No bolts in, nothing. Crazy. That was awesome. Wow. Look at that.
One there. We gotta jack it up more so I can slip it back.
Yeah, we're gonna definitely have to do something about those nuts because they just don't go. Just saying. Yeah, you know what I just come to realize? You watch way too much Boosted Boys.
Who?
You love using the damn hammer just like them.
Bro, how did that break?
Cause you look what you're using.
No, this broke. Did that get caught up inside the tranny when we closed it up?
I don't know.
That's for my reverse.
Well, it's just a sensor plug, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it's missing.
You can just wire it back in.
It's...
Alright, so Mikey was like, there's a bracket that comes with my new mount kit. That's obviously part of the thumbnail, which you guys saw. Some new mounts. They're pretty dope. But it's this bracket right here, right? And in this mount kit, apparently it deletes. So yeah, like I was saying, this will bolt up to here, and then this same bolt right here will slide through. So it'll go in replacement, and it'll look something like that, but it'll be bolted up, obviously. So yeah. And he's over here fighting away. That was a nice touch too. What was that?
You know these dudes converting everything from 17 to 19 to 18? So weird.
This guy. And yes, for the ones that ask, those are Evo 8 wheels. Where'd you get these mounts again, and what are they called?
I don't know.
God, you're ugly.
Bro, we have an issue.
What?
It doesn't line up.
There's no
properly.
issues on this channel. We will find a way to find a solution.
This right here.
We know this.
This right here.
Hold on a second. Where'd you get the mounts from?
I don't know. I can't remember. I bought them off a website.
Okay, but what are they? What are the name of them?
I don't know. It's on the mount. E3 USA Racing. That's how I found it.
E3 USA Racing.
That's how I found the mounts.
We'll let you know how these things work out, guys and ladies and gentlemen. Be right back. It deletes this here, this wishbone mount. So it bolts up here, and then it bolts it directly to the motor like it would be on an EK swap car or a B series EG or anything like that. So this bracket actually goes in replacement of that wishbone mount right there. So it's gonna bolt in here like this, right? Obviously with that out of the way. And then when that goes in, and this goes in replacement, that mount will bolt up to right here. So the next video will be most likely installing this mount and bracket setup on the passenger side here. Driver side is done. Everything is all buttoned up. Obviously he needs a new front torque mount because it's destroyed.
We know this, bro. Don't grind on me.
I have to. Sorry.
Don't grind on me. Here's my big boy.
Look at that. Obviously that's just dust. We'll blow that off of there. This guy. So the whole reason for doing his mounts, obviously. Oh, I was wondering where the knuckle was. He didn't have any. This guy. Back at it.
That's why you can't sit.
So Mike, you know how like on Cletus McFarlane they have James, get the toolbox, James. We're gonna have Mike get the tool bag, Mike. So, as always, guys, make sure and stay tuned for the next video. This will be a little build progress going on here, so you guys will have new things going on it. And we also should be doing a couple of things to... Can I get it? Oh, there it is. That one also. So guys, make sure and stay tuned. As always, make sure and like, subscribe, comment, and have a good day.
You got yours and the Infinity?